We're getting close to the end of time, and I have 4 items, but they're going to be quick hits. So I
Okay.
wanted to go through them, these last 4 pretty quickly. So the first one is icons. So like I mentioned to you last time, like I had some thought of doing icons in this way where I would inline the icon in my CSS, the SVG inlined, and then use it. And when I started doing testing to see performance for everything, it was noticeable the weight of all of the icons being inlined, up front, especially because not all of them are being used on every single page or whatever. And so I played around with a couple different ways of doing it, and I sort of created my own. I didn't see that there was something doing this way, but maybe there is. I don't know. But I just wanted to show you and get your thoughts on it. So basically, I have an icon component, and the key thing with this is that it does something slightly different on the server side and the client side. So the server side, it basically just so I have all of the individual SVGs um, in, SVG. So
I
I have like all of the individual SVGs on the server side, and basically I'm just inlining it when it is on the server side, but on the client side, if you like client side navigate around and whatever, it'll lazy load that's essentially what this code is doing, is it's lazy loading the
that is a
icon on the client
fine
side.
solution. That is basically server side. You're inlining it, which is a good solution. And if it's not, if the app is started and it's not inlined, it will lazy load the icon, which is basically the best
Yep.
of both worlds. Because
Yep.
if you are SSRing the thing, it will deliver the icon directly in the HTML, and if
Yep.
it's loaded later, yeah, that is a good solution.
Good. I
Yeah,
am glad,
I
glad you
like
approve.
this. It's a little bit heavier on the JavaScript side, so there is a little bit more JavaScript. On the other side, it's not that much JavaScript, and it lazy loads a boatload of data. I don't know how big your SVGs are. There might be that you can optimize those things a little bit, so there is less there, and it is less of a problem to inline them. But yeah, this is the best of both worlds: inlining when needed, lazy loading when not.